Hello, good afternoon. My name is Yashwant Kunta, and this is my ID. Thank you. As I said, my name is Yashwant Kunta, and I'm currently pursuing my master's in information technology management at Webster University. So far, my journey with Webster University in my master's program is going pretty well, and moving forward, uh, I'm looking forward to do good in my upcoming semesters. So I'm from India. Uh, I'm from India, from the southern part of India. India is known for its rich culture and technological advancements. So I would like to uh, moving forward I would like to speak about my journey in system analysis design and implementation course. So this course helped me a lot in understanding how important this is in successfully deploying a project. So this course has both technical and business skills, so which help me in understanding in both the ways. Uh, so in my so apart from my studies, so I like playing cricket, which helps me physically active all the time. And then I love to travel. I like to explore new places. So whenever I get a free time, most probably I would like to travel somewhere, so that so it's like a stress relief or something like that. I'm also very much interested in also in attending the tech meetups, like any tech meetups, like in uh, hackathons. So which helps us in understanding what exactly is going on in the current technology, uh, in the technical industry, in the information technology industry. So moving forward, I would like to discuss about my journey in in the course system analysis, design, and implementation. So I would like to discuss about the three chapters which I felt most important in understanding as a technical student, as a technology student in IT. So these three chapters will help us in understanding both technical and the business skills. So the very first part I would like to discuss about is chapter 1, which is called Introduction to System Analysis and Design. So this chapter is mainly focused on introducing what exactly is system analysis and design implementation. So here we go. We have four phases in this chapter. So one is called planning. So the second is analysis, third design, and fourth is implementation. So planning phase is mostly concentrated on identifying the problem and making necessary steps to approach the problem. And next we are going to the analysis part. So in the analysis part, we analyze the data and we gather all the requirements of what we need to move forward. So plan. And when coming to the design process, so it mainly focuses on the system architecture, user interfaces, and data design. When coming to implementation, so implementation is mostly the technical part, like coding, testing, deploying. So whatever the technical tools we have to use is going to be in the implementation part. And then maintaining users, the system continue to meet user needs. So, and this chapter also focuses on what exactly system analyst does. So system analysts bridge the gap between bridge business needs and technical solutions. So as according to me, understanding these basic concepts so will help you in survive in the information technology industry. So moving forward, the next chapter which I would like to discuss about is chapter 5, which is data and process modeling. So this chapter mainly focuses on what exactly are data flow diagrams and entity relationship diagrams. So data flow diagrams will help you in understanding how the data flows through the system. And then when coming to the ERD, entity relationship diagram, so entity relationship diagram is help you understand what is the relationship in a database. ERDs will help you in understanding the relationship in a database. And so normalization is one of the topic in the chapter 5. So normalization will help you in creating reducing redundancy and improves data integrity by organizing a large part of data into smaller tables. And when coming to the context diagrams, so context diagrams are a high level view of the system, which we have done in our previous assignments. So it helped us a lot in understanding what exactly is the context diagrams. So these techniques will help in create efficient and scalable systems. For example, DFDs can identify bottlenecks and ERDs ensure robust database design. And then moving forward, so I would like to discuss about chapter 10, which is systems architecture. So this chapter is about designing the overall system structure, like hardware, software, network, and data. So different architectural styles include client server, service oriented, and cloud computing. So client server architecture involves clients requesting services from a central server, and service oriented architecture, which is also called SOA in short, allows different services to communicate over the network. And cloud computing offers scalable resources over the internet. Like cloud computing is something like companies getting infrastructure from a third party cloud provider. It's called a cloud computing. And good interface design principles are crucial for user friendly systems. Considering layout, color schemes, and accessibility in design. So understanding the whole system architecture helps us in creating a good, robust, and scalable systems. So moving forward, so these are the three chapters which help me in understanding the concepts which are most helpful for you to survive in the information in the IT industry. So these are the basic as I concern. So these are the main concepts which I have learned so far from the course, and I'm confident enough that these skills will help me in understanding and help me in surviving in the IT industry. So course takeaways, I'd like to say a key takeaway: a structured approach of a system architecture will help you in reducing almost bigger risks and improves more outcomes. So So when next is the communication part. The communication part is most important one. The communication part with the stakeholders. So we have to make sure what exactly the stakeholders needs, the design. So we have to make sure whatever the requirements the stakeholder has have been fulfilled before the deployment, which will help in achieving the business goals. And moving forward, the assignments which were provided on DFDs, like data flow diagrams, entity relationship diagrams, and context diagrams. So this helped me a lot in understanding what exactly DFDs, ERDs, and in context diagrams are used for. So this helped me in understanding how exactly the system architecture will be designed in terms of a real project. So this course has helped me in clarifying my career goals. So I'm confident enough that these skills will help me in getting on when competing in the current IT industry. So moving forward, so about the course reflection. So I enjoyed doing the assignments. They were very challenging and very exciting to do. So that helped me in understanding, as I said you before, what exactly the system architecture and how it should be. And these assignments have gave me confidence and problem solving skills. So this course can benefit from adding more technical assignments, so which will help us in being more advanced to compete in the current IT industry. So more advanced topics would be helpful for the students to get on. So the whole course has been completely positive. So I've learned very new things in the entire course. I can say that. And last but not least, I would like to thank Professor Dr. Srikant Patlu for his support throughout the course. His guidance has been invaluable and helping me understand and applying the concepts of system analysis and design implementation. Thank you, Professor. Thank you for your dedication and encouragement. Thank you so much.